welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. Chef Dom is not here today. He took the day off, so we're actually changing our channel to the Chicken Brothers. Just kidding. My son got me this apron for my birthday. He knows I was a big Breaking Bad fan.
You're goddamn right.
But anyway, today I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate pizza supreme. You know, you can get this in any pizzeria, but I'm going to show you some tips to create it a step above any other. All right, let's get cooking. All right, we're gonna start frying up our vegetables. Got 3 pans here. And that one I'm gonna put butter in. Unsalted butter. All right, we'll let this fry up. I love to use fresh vegetables for the pizzas, and I know a lot of restaurants do, but they don't cook the vegetables before they put it on the pizza. And what winds up happening is it makes the pizza very soggy because there's so much moisture in those vegetables. All right, so now I got my bell pepper and some red onion here. I'm gonna start frying those up. Right here, we're gonna saute some mushrooms. Nothing like sauteed mushrooms on a pizza. And then here, we're going to cook some fresh ground beef. I don't like using that store-bought pizza topping because it's got soy in it, so it loses its full potential of flavor. So we're going to make our own. Alright, put a bay leaf in there. I'll hit it with a little salt and pepper. Black pepper. Alright, I'm going to let everything fry up. Lower the heat. Mushrooms going. I like to hit the mushrooms with some sherry. Gives the mushrooms an excellent flavor. All we're going to do is cook these vegetables halfway. Ground beef we're going to cook all the way. Those onions translucent yet? Okay. Put the ground beef in there. Hit it with some salt, pepper. Okay, we'll let that fry up. All right, I've got some Italian sausage links that I cooked earlier. You want to cook them in advance and then put them in the refrigerator. When you slice them, you want to slice them thin. It's a lot easier to slice that way. All right, we're going to slice these up very thin now. Use your finger as a guard. Your fingernail, actually. See how nice and thin that is. All right, sausage is ready. Veggies are cooking, ground beef's cooking. Now we're gonna go ahead and start our pizza sauce. All right, we're gonna start our pizza sauce now. Now, we make 2 different types of pizza sauce. This one here doesn't have very many ingredients, but it has quality ingredients. Muti is one of our favorite tomatoes. We don't get paid for this, but this is my honest opinion. Really love their tomatoes. And I have a whole peel plum tomato and the passata, which is puree. I like to use half and half on that. This is about a 14-ounce can here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze these tomato. And I did wash my hands, and that's done. I wanna use about 14 ounces of this 24-ounce jar. All right, the only 2 ingredients, spices that I use for this pizza sauce is sugar and salt. The toppings and the vegetables give the sauce an excellent flavor. Plus, you don't want to take away from the flavor of the tomato. I put about a teaspoon of each in there. Then mix it around, and that's it. It's ready to go. So we're gonna let this stand out for about 15 minutes and it'll be ready to go. All right, our veggies are ready. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out this bay leaf and we're good to go. All right, we have all of our ingredients ready to whip up this supreme pizza. Anyway, I went ahead and made the dough yesterday. You can actually get this recipe in the description, and it'll give you a link right to our website, and it has the full recipe to make New York style dough. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is remove the dough from this pan here and place it in flour. You wanna dredge it on both sides so it's not sticking to your hands. Now I'm gonna show beginners how to stretch pizza like a pro. All right, first thing we're gonna do is create the crust. So you just wanna go around the edge here, work the edge, make a nice crust. The bubbles are good. I like bubbles on my pizza. I'm just gonna press this down a bit. Make it even on all sides. You know, I had this dough fermenting overnight in the refrigerator. But before you use it, you want to be sure to pull it out about an hour and a half before you're ready to make a pizza. So this way the dough softens up a little bit and it makes it a lot easier to stretch. Okay, so now we've got the foundation all ready to go. Now we're just going to place the dough on our hand. So we're going to make a fist and stick your thumb out. Okay, so now we're just going to stretch. Real easy. Stretch that dough. I'll show you how I make a pizza now after making it for about 50 years. No lie, over 50 years of making pizzas. But you see, you want to make it nice and even all the way around. See that? So this is about a 16-inch pie we're making here. For beginners, I really recommend you use a pizza screen. This is a 16-inch pizza screen. This makes it a lot easier to cook without having to use a pizza peel to slide it in. Plus, I like the way it cooks beneath the carriage of the pizza. All right, now we're gonna put the tomato sauce or the pizza sauce. I like to use about 8 ounces is fine. This scoop is about 6 ounces. So spread that out nice and evenly all the way to the edge. Try to remove as much sauce as possible in the middle, so this way it doesn't get too soggy. That's all ready to go. Now I'm gonna put a pinch of oregano. What's pizza without oregano? And then I'm gonna put some Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle that all over. And now for the mozzarella. Get across the edge here all the way to the crust, because you know most people don't like eating the crust. So, but this crust is out of this world. Most people don't like eating the crust, so you want to make sure just about every bite has toppings like cheese and whatever else you're putting on it. And it really, when you're making a supreme pizza, it really doesn't need a lot of cheese. All right, now we have our toppings. Same thing with the toppings. You don't want to put too many toppings on your pizza because it makes it too heavy, and again, it will be soggy by the time you're ready to eat it. Some pepperoni. Now this pepperoni is called cup and char. If you're not familiar with that, as the pepperoni cooks, it kind of forms into a cup and it browns the edges of the pepperoni. That's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna put some ground beef, a hamburger. Sprinkle that on there. Man, I love using fresh meat, not that soy stuff. Put some mushroom. Now these are my favorite toppings. You can actually put whatever topping you'd like, but this combination is my absolute favorite right here when it comes to making a supreme pizza. Some peppers and onions. All right, I've got this oven on 550 degrees, and then I'm gonna go ahead and place this pizza on the center rack and just pop it in there and let it cook for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and rotate it after 5 minutes and probably cook it for another 3. All right, let's check out this pizza. I actually had this pizza cooking for about 14 or 15 minutes because I didn't have it on convection. Usually when I put it on a convection oven, it cooks like in 8 minutes, but this is perfect. Look at that pizza. Perfecto. All right, let's eat. Oh, nice crunch. I want to cut these into 6s instead of 8s. Keep up with the New York style size slice. There's one slice for you. Let's take out the undercarriage of that thing. Whoa. All right, there you go, Sean. All right.
Let's eat.
All right, let's test this pizza out.
Big slice. You need to fold it.
Fold it, of course. Look at that. See, nice carriage. It holds well. It's not floppy. On the money.
Delicious.
The savory of the toppings, the mellowness of the tomato sauce, and the creaminess of the cheese, it really goes well together. We appreciate the subscribers. If you would, please hit that subscribe button if you like our channel.
Check out the website.
Oh yeah, check out our website. We have Brooklyn Miller shirts. Anyway, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers, and we will see you guys next recipe.